Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check your browser version in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, you'll want to direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice three vertical dots there, often called the menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the menu that appears, hover your mouse over the Help option. This section contains useful tools and information about your Chrome browser, including support resources and version details. When you hover over Help, a secondary menu will expand to the side. In this expanded menu, you'll see an option labeled About Google Chrome. Click on it to proceed. This is the gateway to viewing your current browser version and checking if any updates are available. Once you click About Google Chrome, a new page will open displaying detailed information about your browser. Right at the top, you'll see your current Chrome version number clearly displayed. This is important because knowing your version helps you determine if you're running the latest software with the newest security patches and features. Chrome also automatically checks for updates on this page, so if there's a newer version available, it will start downloading it right away. And that's it. You've successfully checked your Google Chrome browser version. This information is particularly useful when troubleshooting issues, ensuring compatibility with websites, or simply staying up to date with the latest browser improvements. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.